Well, here's the other view of the basement. This will be my walkout right here. Well, actually, sliding glass door I think is going to go right there, where Hunter is. And there's Keith, he's nuts, standing on the edge of what will be our garage.
Mom,
And that's the view. And once it's all, you know, done and grass is in, it'll be great.
I'm trying to get up there, but there's
I can almost feel the coyotes looking at me. They say there's tons. So. Oh.
See it?
Yeah. It's gone now.
See it though?
Yeah, I did. There was a chipmunk there, but I couldn't get the camera on it fast enough. But they're all over the place. Alright, that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll just think of how much fun we'll have when we're up here. Talk to you later.